Now see example. Solve the given inequality 30x less than 200 when x is a natural number and x is an integer. So first we'll solve when x is a natural number. Natural number starts from 1. Now here inequality is given 30x less than 200. We have already discussed both the rules. We can multiply or divide by a positive number, or we can add or subtract by a number to the both side of the inequality. Here 30 multiply by x, so we'll divide both sides by 30, or simply you can transpose this 30 to RHS. So I will divide both sides of the inequality by 30, and since 30 is a positive number, so the sign remains same, means no need to change the sign of the inequality. So 30 and 30 will cancel out. We'll get x is less than 0 and 0 also cancel out. 20 by 3. 20 by 3 means no need to convert it, but let us see what is the value of 20 by 3. It is coming 6.6 something, 6.666. Okay. Now see here, in the first case x is a natural number. Natural number starts from 1. So values of x, all the values of x which make the equation or statement true are, can we take 0, x equals to 0? No, because x is a natural number. So for x equals to 1, this is the inequality, x is less than 20 by 3. For x equals to 1, we'll get 1 less than 6.6, which is true. So we'll include 1, or 1 is the solution of the inequality. X equals to 2, yes, because 2 is less than 6.6. X equals to 3, again the statement is true for x equals to 3. X equals to 4, again it's true. X equals to 5, it's true. X equals to 6, yes, 6 is less than 6.6, so here also the statement is true. But for x equals to 7, the statement is not true, the statement is false. So these are the values of x. For these values, for all the values, the statement is true. So the set of these values of x is called solution set of the inequality. So this is the solution set of the inequality. Now in second case, x is an integer. Integers includes 0 and all positive and negative numbers. Now here we'll put negative numbers also, because x is an integer. So inequality is x is less than 20 by 3, or simply 6.6. So in this case we'll include all these values because they are also integers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. For these values the inequality is true. Now what about 0? Yes, we'll include 0 because 0 is also an integer. So for when we put 0, then we'll get 0 less than 20 by 3. So the statement is true when we put x equals to 0. What about minus 1? Again, minus 1 is less than 6.6, so this statement is true. This statement is true for minus 2, for minus 3, for minus 4, for all the negative values this statement is true. Okay. So the solution set of the inequality is you put dash 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 minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is the solution set of the inequality.